Hello friends, Mercedes is testing the new E-Class again, but this time with considerably less camouflage, so that some new details of its appearance become visible. Also, for the first time we can see what will be the interior of the new Mercedes E-Class. It's a completely new interior and it doesn't copy the S-Class or EQS. And what will be borrowed from the S-Class is the door handles. The Mercedes W214 E-Class will be built on the Emirate 2 architecture, like the new C-Class and S-Class. The engine lineup will include mild hybrid, full hybrid and plug-in hybrid version, as well as 4-cylinder 2.0-liter variants and 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder power plants. No more V8 engines are expected. The new E-Class is expected to premiere in early 2023. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.